Hey friends, if you encounter the error a required device isn't connected or can't be accessed, then please watch this video. Now we have a lot of solutions regarding rebuilding BCD and all. All of these have been combined into one script and I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. And if you are not able to log into your system, then log into your system in the advanced options mode. The procedure is different depending upon the brand of the computer, and then you can use the same commands. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.